29 forecast.
You are looking live at some friendly cumulus in our blue sky overlooking downtown Charlottesville, Central Virginia, and the Blue Ridge Mountains in the distance as viewed by our Carter Mountain weather camera. Over the next few hours from that western horizon, watch out for a growing thunderstorm. Good midday to you. I'm Storm Team 29 meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. The next big thing I'm tracking from the Weather Center is another risk for a scattered severe thunderstorm, especially east of the Blue Ridge, east of the Highway 15 and also Route 29 corridor. So here in this scattered zone, this yellow zone, that's the corridor most favored to see a strong to severe thunderstorm in the next 8 hours from southwest to the northeast. Radar recap shows after a quiet day on Sunday around midnight, we had a strong to severe thunderstorm move across southern Nelson and along the James River into Buckingham and southern sections of Albemarle County, and it did produce some wind damage. A few reports of some downed trees and power lines south of Livingston, Schuyler into northern sections of Buckingham County, and also not far from the Scottsville area. That storm around midnight produced a few wind reports, and now the radar is dry for most areas on that northwestern horizon from Harrisonburg looking off to the portions of the eastern panhandle of West Virginia towards Franklin. There's a downpour and a thunderstorm out that way. This thunderstorm will bypass Harrisonburg, may clip Broadway and northern sections of Rockingham County over the next hour. It's not severe right now, but a quick downpour moving on through. But for most of you, it's on the dry side currently, but that could change in the matter of about 15 minutes. We're in an environment where in 15 minutes you can go from bright sunshine to a gutter gushing downpour. That's because we're watching a weather disturbance move across the Ohio Valley as this intercepts this heat and the humidity today that will cause scattered thunderstorms to form. That's exactly what's on our rapid refresh high-res weather tracker between say 2 to 6 p.m. southwest to the northeast. Our radar should become more active, and even a lingering shower and storm on towards sunset, and then thereafter they're going to fade away with patchy fog. Any thunderstorm may produce some localized damaging wind gusts, spotty hail. The overall tornado threat is minimal. And also tomorrow, a couple of storms are possible, but just a couple. The overall severe weather threat on your 4th of July is going to be very, very low. Just a speckling of a shower downpour later on Tuesday and Tuesday evening, but just in time for fireworks displays. Any thunderstorm should begin to move on out of the picture. In your Storm Team 29 report today, hazy, hot, and humid. Highs in the upper 80s and low 90s, but the heat index before any thunderstorm, it'll feel like it's close to 100 degrees in downtown Charlottesville around 3 p.m. For the overnight, any lingering shower and storm will fade away. It'll be muggy with patchy fog, lows upper 60s and lower 70s. And your forecast on the 4th of July, almost hot as a firecracker, 85 to 90 degrees, a spotty storm chance, smaller risk of storms into tomorrow evening, and so far so good as we head towards sunset for those fireworks displays. It is looking spectacular tomorrow night with temperatures warm in the lower 80s. 7-day forecast, many heat wave conditions for this time in July, near 90 through Friday. A smaller storm chance on Wednesday and Thursday. Most areas miss out, but then Friday and the weekend, as it turns more humid with a front nearby, a scattered storm chance returns back to the forecast. Jared.